Hi everyone. Today we're gonna make some fruits. We're gonna soak some fruits for next Christmas. As you can see, we have some fruits here. Prawns. We got some currants, some dates, and some raisins. This is what left over from this year, so I'm gonna have to go out and get some more and to put it in here.
I think all we may need are cherries.
Yeah, well, we have some cherries, but we still baking. We gotta bake some more stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
And we're gonna use this wine here in Captain.
Got a spice rum.
Spice rum, Captain Morgan spice rum. We're gonna use. You can actually use any kind of wine that you want, and any kind of rum. Doesn't matter. Don't try not to use too heavy liquor, because it will taste too much of rum.
Right,
liquor.
and then if your kids can't have it,
right.
If you're on medication, you can't have it, and so on and so forth. So.
And I prefer to soak my fruits a year, for a whole year or more. The one that I used to bake these cake in the other video, those was I think 4 years old or more. I usually soak fruits every year, so I keep on getting and recycle it back. So it's pretty easy and simple. This is what I'm gonna do here. And some people go by measurement. You don't have to go with measurement. I don't.
Because we're not only soaking fruits for 2022 baking, we're gonna soak fruits and then use it, and the leftover it's gonna continue soaking, and we'll add on top of that next year.
So
What is that?
we're gonna use the dates.
Add some dates. So what we have, prunes and raisins in here. Oh, prunes and currants.
Yeah, the currants.
Currants. Now
you got some dates.
dates. Oh, this is some big ones.
And can't go without raisins.
Raisin, most important.
Yeah. My favorite. I can eat this just like this here.
It's actually very, very healthy as well.
Yeah. Amazing.
Snack on raisins.
So we did a box of 2 each. This is one set done here. And we're gonna start back with this one here.
Some more prunes.
So another bags of prawns, as you can see there.
Let me see. Alright, so here are the prunes.
And the currants.
More currants. And again, we're just not soaking to bake next year, but future years.
Yeah.
We're just gonna replenish.
Yeah. We have a few bottles still in the cupboard, but you have to continue soaking.
More dates.
Yeah, more dates. Gosh, like I'm frightened if I put full pack.
They just put like 3 in a pack.
Yeah. No, there's I think 6 or 7, but they're pretty big, right? Look at that size.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
It smells amazing, man. Gosh, wow. Smell good. Smell it.
I know.
Smells good, huh?
Yummy.
Yeah.
More.
And this prawns is good for going to the bathroom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you have bathroom issues,
Yeah.
if it's called irregularities,
Yeah.
then have some prunes,
Yeah.
and then it would be regular.
Yeah.
It would change from irregularity to regular.
So all this here is good.
So usually we soak, we add cherries to this mix as well, but we don't have a lot of cherries left. We ran out of it, so we'll get some tomorrow and we'll add it to this mixture.
Yeah. Or you can add your cherries when you bake.
Or you
your
can
cake.
add it when you bake your cake.
Yeah.
Too. It's just cherries.
So a lot of people grind up their fruit. I don't grind mines up. I'll leave mines to soak for the whole few years,
Yeah.
3-4 years, whatever. And whenever I'm baking, that's when I use. I
When
grind
you
it
grind
up.
the fruit, yeah.
And some people like their fruits all
Puree.
puree. Yep.
Yeah.
I like mine's a little
Solids. You can see
yeah.
solids in there.
So I
yeah.
can, I can taste it actually.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's just a matter of your preference, like whether you blend it up now and soak it or blend it up on Christmas Eve or whenever you bake for Christmas. It's all a matter of your preference. Like, obviously during Christmas time, everybody is busy and they want to bake and be done fast. So I guess that's why some people blend it now. So come baking time, they don't have to blend. That's the only difference, right?
Correct. So we're gonna throw in the wine
This
first.
wine, some red
wine.
wine.
You can soak it as much as you want, and in a few months you can take it out and turn it up in your bottle and soak it again with more wine or rum. So let's see what there. I just wanted to loosen it a lot. Put some of the Captain guy, and you can use, a lot of people use white rum from the Caribbean or red rum We don't have that over here in the state that I'm living in.
So this is a Captain Morgan spiced rum.
Mm-hmm. Just taking all my liquor.
Yeah, that's a big bottle.
Yep. This smells really, really good.
Guys, now that we've used up all of our alcohol to soak the fruits, me and Vishal were stopping by your house on Christmas Day for a drink. We got no more alcohol left.
There's a 15 years old over there.
I know.
Yeah, 25, 20.
That's just gonna suck up all that wine as time goes by.
Yeah. So what some people do, they will actually grind this up right now and bag it off. When I say bag it off, put it in bottles. I'll leave mine until tomorrow to bottle it off until I get the rest of the fruits. I just did this video because lots of people ask and a lot of people don't know how to. So here you go. And we're gonna put in some, whatever is the cinnamon sticks.
Cinnamon, some cloves.
How many cloves do you want in here?
Cinnamon is on the
So
second.
we're gonna put in some cloves in here.
Yep.
A few. And
See, guys, soak fruits.
yeah, 2 cinnamon sticks.
Yep, 2 is good enough. You could just put it whole. You can't break it. Yeah, that's it.
And some people put in molasses inside. It's an option. You don't have to put in molasses.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can put in your burnt sugar when you're ready to bake the cake.